You thought you had a handle on the AI race. China's bubble was about to burst, and everyone knew it would take years. But hold on. Here's what you didn't know. China's AI industry is collapsing faster than anyone predicted. On July 20th, 2026, just 2 days ago, China announced massive cutbacks in its AI funding, cutting over $15 billion in R&D budgets. Companies like Sinovation and E2 are laying off thousands. This isn't a slow burn, it's an AI Armageddon. This changes everything about the global tech landscape. Imagine all that development, all those innovations suddenly on pause. The impact is going to ripple through every country, every company. But here's the part nobody saw coming. As China pulls back, the US, Europe, and other nations are scrambling to fill that gap. OpenAI's GPT-5.6 Soul model just got released with features that could redefine AI development overnight. But wait, there's more. Kimi K3 from Imadmo stake is already causing waves. It's a game changer. The release of this new AI model has been hailed as a Sputnik moment, signaling a new era in AI. So what does this mean for you? Are you ready to build that custom app with Bolt.new and GPT-5.6 Soul, knowing the global landscape is shifting under your feet? You're standing at a crossroads, facing an urgent decision. GPT-5.6 Soul is just out. The latest model from OpenAI, boasting unprecedented capabilities that could change everything. But there's a storm brewing on the horizon. China's AI bubble is about to burst, and with it comes significant challenges for the global market. You need to act fast. Bolt.new, your trusted platform for building custom AI-powered apps, has just announced full compatibility with GPT 5.6 Soul. This means you could be ahead of the curve, leveraging cutting-edge technology before others even realize what's happening. But here's the catch. China is about to take a hit. The country's AI industry faces significant challenges that could reshape how the world approaches AI development. Imadmo stake, one of the key figures behind Kimi K3, one of the models marking this Sputnik moment in AI, has been quoted saying, "The race for technological dominance is on, and we can't afford to be left behind." Those words resonate with you as you weigh your options. The clock is ticking. Every second counts. But here's a twist. Not everyone sees it the same way. Some experts are skeptical about whether China's challenges will truly disrupt the market in the short term. They argue that while the Chinese AI industry might face difficulties, other regions and tech giants could step up to fill the void. Still, you can't ignore the potential impact. You need to decide. Do you leverage GPT 5.6 Soul and Bolt.new to build your custom app now? Or wait and see how the dust settles in China? The stakes are higher than ever, and the outcome could define not just your project, but the future of AI development as a whole. Kimi K3 has just been released, and it's not just any old AI model. It's hailed as an AI Sputnik moment. The term Sputnik comes from history. When the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite in 1957, leading to a major technological race with the United States. Now, Kimi K3 is doing the same to OpenAI and others. The implications are clear. This new model is not just an upgrade, it's a game changer. Imadmo stake, one of the key developers behind Kimi K3, shared, "We've achieved breakthroughs in efficiency and functionality that could redefine how AI is used." But here's the catch. OpenAI has already released GPT 5.6 Soul. It's packing a massive jump in capabilities, with faster processing speeds and more intricate understanding than ever before. The race to build your custom AI-powered app with Bolt.new and GPT 5.6 isn't just about staying ahead. It's about winning the next Sputnik moment. So you have to decide, do you stick with what you know or do you pivot? Every hour counts. You can't afford to be left behind. But here's the real question. What if GPT 5.6 Soul and Kimi K3 are just the start of a new arms race in AI? But here's what almost nobody is talking about. Despite all these advances, OpenAI's GPT 5.6 Soul, the Kimi K3 AI model from Imadmo stake, and China's looming AI challenges. The real challenge lies not in technology, but in regulation and data access. You've seen how these new models can revolutionize everything. Let's dive into a twist no one is talking about. What if regulatory frameworks start tightening? What happens when governments clamp down on who can use certain technologies or restrict the flow of critical datasets? Imagine this. OpenAI announced GPT 5.6 with a bang, promising unprecedented capabilities. But what if regulations force you to share your data, limiting your unique edge? Or worse, what if your app gets flagged for compliance issues, stalling development and deployment? And let's not forget China's looming AI bubble. Yes, the industry faces significant challenges, but those are just hints of a broader trend. Governments around the world are starting to realize the potential power of these technologies and are drafting stricter rules. So, while you're busy building your custom app with Bolt.new and GPT 5.6, make sure you're not overlooking key regulatory shifts. Because in this fast-moving landscape, compliance could be the biggest hurdle. You've made the call to build your own custom AI-powered app with Bolt.new and GPT 5.6. You're not just diving into cutting-edge tech. You're navigating a rapidly changing landscape. The world of AI is shifting, and China's impending bubble burst means that the ground beneath your feet might be unsteady. Your first step? Setting up the environment on Bolt.new. It's a robust platform designed for developers like yourself. But with the new release of GPT 5.6, you're about to experience something truly transformative. The model boasts unprecedented accuracy and efficiency, making it perfect for real-world applications. But here's the catch. You need to understand the implications. GPT 5.6 isn't just another tweak, it's a game changer. According to Imadmo, one of the lead researchers behind Kimi K3, dubbed an AI Sputnik moment, the impact is undeniable. This model, he says, is going to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible in AI development. But don't get carried away just yet. The global stage is about to see a major shift. China's AI industry is facing significant challenges that could ripple across the globe. You've seen the urgency with Kimi K3. Now, you need to consider how this fits into the broader context. You decide to pause and think through your app's architecture. How will it handle data? What kind of user experience can you provide? The stakes are higher than ever. With GPT 5.6, you have the tools to create something truly groundbreaking. But with the global landscape in flux, you must stay vigilant. So, as you start coding, writing those first lines on Bolt.new, you're not just building an app, you're shaping a future that could be defined by what you do right now. The world is watching, and it's up to you to make your mark. You're looking at a screen filled with numbers and lines of code, but something more powerful is happening here. Your app, built on Bolt.new and GPT 5.6 has just launched. It's a moment you've been preparing for months, even years. But the race isn't over yet. In China, the AI bubble is about to burst. You heard it from Kimi K3, with Imadmo at the helm, that this could be an AI Sputnik moment. The implications are huge. Every developer in China knows this is a turning point. This is where they need to be or risk being left behind. But here's what almost nobody is telling you. GPT 5.6 has reshaped the landscape. Its capabilities, its speed, it's not just about building an app anymore. It's about creating something that will change how we interact with technology. You got a leg up because of Bolt.new and GPT 5.6, but don't get complacent. The future is now, and your role in shaping it has never been more critical. But the race isn't just against time. It's against an entire market that's about to pivot. China's AI industry is facing its biggest challenges yet, and you're well positioned to capitalize on this shift. If you want to stay ahead of this, if you want to be part of the narrative where history is being made, here's what you do. Subscribe to Opsera. Keep an eye on the latest developments, because the future isn't just coming, it's arriving right now. And who knows? Maybe next time, we'll talk about how you led the charge.